Hello everyone, I am Mageshwari. I am working as Assistant Professor of Commerce Department in JJ College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to discuss about financial market. What is financial market? It is the market for sale and purchase of stock, shares, bonds, bill of exchange, commodities, foreign currency, etc., which works as liquidity asset. Financial market is of two types. First one money market, second one capital market. What is money market? Money market is a mechanism that deals with the lending of short-term funds less than 1 year. A segment of the financial market in which financial instruments with high liquidity and very short maturities are traded. Money market can be divided into four types. First one, call money market. Second, treasury bill market. Third, commercial bill market. Fourth one, short-term loan market. Call money market deals short period loans between 1 and 14 days. The financial institution as LIC, GIC and UTI give call loans to bank. The development banks as IDBI, ICICI, IFSC also participated in the call money market. Call money market was operated through brokers. 1970, RBI has prohibited brokerage in the call money market. The facilities offered by call money market are used by all kinds of banks such as commercial banks, state, district, urban and cooperative banks. Second one, treasury bill market are issued by the RBI. It refers to short-term borrowing of the government. The treasury bills are guaranteed for repayment by the government. The period of treasury bills between 91 and 364 days. Commercial bill market, it is also called discount market. It is genuine trade transaction. A bill of exchange is an important commercial bills. The maturity period from 3 months to 6 months. Short-term loan market. Last one, short-term loan market. Short-term loan of cash credit and overdraft. Cash credit is provided by commercial banks. Overdraft is an arrangement where the current account holder is permitted. Short-term loans are repayable within a period of 1 year. Features of money market. First one, constituents of money market, heterogeneous market, dealers of money market, short-term loans, different from capital market, association with big cities, changes with place and time. Next one, capital market. Meaning of capital market. Capital market is a part of financial system which is concerned with raising capital funds by dealing in shares, bonds and other long-term investment. The market where investment instruments like bonds, equities and mortgages are traded is known as the capital market. Capital market may be divided into three types. First one, government securities market. Second one, industrial securities market. Third one, long-term loan market. The different types of financial instruments that are traded in the capital market are equity instrument, credit market instruments, insurance instruments, foreign exchange instruments, hybrid instrument. Significance, role or functions of capital market. First one, mobilization of saving, capital formation, provisions of investment avenue, speed of economic growth and development, proper regulation of fund and service promotion. Types of capital market. There are two main type of capital market. First one, primary market. Second one, secondary market. Primary market. Primary market, it is the It is that market in which shares, debentures, and other securities are sold for the first time for collecting long-term capital. This market is concerned with the new issues. Therefore, the primary market is also called new issue market. Next one, secondary market. The secondary market is that market in which the buying and selling of the previously issued securities is done. And the difference between primary market and secondary market. The primary market is where securities are created, while the secondary market is where the securities are traded by investors. Primary market companies sell now stock and bonds to the public for the first time. That is initial public offering, IPO. The secondary market is basically the stock market and refers to New York Stock Exchange. Details of the stock exchange companies. If an individual has some financial security and he wishes to sell it, he can approach the stock exchange companies which will help him to sell or purchase his securities by the means of the broker. There are 23 stock exchanges in India. In India, we have Bombay Stock Exchange, National Stock Exchange, and the rest 21 are regional stock exchange. Capital market investment. Capital market investment takes place through the bond market and the stock market. The capital market is basically the financial pool in which different companies as well as the government can raise long-term funds. Details of stock exchange platform. There are three types of exchange platform. First one, domestic exchange. Second one, regulatory based. Third one, international exchange. Domestic exchange means Indian equities are traded on three major national exchange. First one, MCX, Multi Commodity Exchange Limited. Second one, Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE. Third one, National Stock Exchange of India, NSE. Regulatory authority, it is one which is under government surveillance. A few stock exchange companies follow the rules which are laid down by the Government of India. For example, SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Next one, Securities and Exchange Board of India. The interest of investors in securities and promoters the development of the securities market. The board helps in making registration and regulate the functioning. SEBI conducts the inspection and thus prohibits fraudulent practices. Ubendra Kumar Singha is the chairman of SEBI. Next one, RBI. RBI is the Apex Bank of India and Bankers of Bank. Maintenance price stability. It provides cost-effective banking services to the public, give the public adequate quality of supplies of currency notes and coins in good quality. Next one, formulate implementation and monitor the monetary policy and manage the foreign exchange. Issue new currency and coins and exchange, destroy currency and coins not fit for circulation. Now last one, international exchange. Due to increased globalization, there is a rising competition amongst various countries to keep the market stable. Therefore, it is important to keep track of international financial market for better, prospective and intelligent investment. Thank you. Thank you for watching.